Okay, good. Okay, so here I have, I mean, essentially like an entire um, army of the Imperials. So and so these are like the specials. It's like the regular soldier units of them. Okay, yes, this is sort of like the largest um, kind of like group of these guys. This is a whole like a battalion, and then these are the companies. So there's going to be like three of the companies, and like one of them the battalions, and then these are the platoons, and then so you're gonna have all like four platoons in one of like the companies, and then yes, these are like the super soldier units that are extremely good. So you can have a little bit of like a fight. These are basic, like empty kind of like unit. I'm like they're just here like for testing. We can have a little like battle though. And so I add a thing where you have like a unit on like a counter. And then you can use the arrow keys like to rotate on the whole like all like the units. We're gonna have these guys. Well, let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have all these guys up against only like a single just like a squad like of these guys, and you'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna have them get into formation here, and then I'll have them fight. Okay, now so you see they already I'm started like shooting these guys, and you can see people like they're already I'm starting like to drop. It looks like the super soldiers, like they lose like a lot of guys, but they're pretty much able like to take out like the um entire like unit of these guys. Yep, and there's actually like a lot of these guys left too, which is pretty good. Yeah, you can see all like the bodies like I was talking about. And we'll do like another fight real quick. Um, wait, is he on the stream too? That's funny. Okay, I'll show him like the rest of the army right now. Okay, so you have like the Space Marines right here, which are like the super soldiers. Then you have all of, like the regular sort of units. And these are the platoons. And they have up like to 42 people. I just added like a few more, just so they could have like a square sort of like formation. But they would actually only have like 40 units, I think. Yes, this is like a platoon of like super soldiers. Then they have like squads of like super soldiers. Okay, yeah, so these are like platoons right here. And then so, um, and these are like the companies. And each of the companies have all of the four like platoons in here. So it's sort of like it ascends, up in size. And then yes, you can see all of like the companies out here. And then so all these companies are, are going to go into an actual like battalion. And this is like the largest sort of like unit. But in like the actual game though, like you're probably not going to be able like to use an actual like battalion. Just because like it's more fun like to be able to use like smaller units like this, but have like a lot of them, you know, instead of just having like a single sort of like massive unit. Okay, here we'll do like a regular sort of attack with like regular infantry against like the enemy over there. And so you can see, they're um, always like going to go back into sort of like the formation on like the head like at the beginning. And you can see they're going to go back into formation. And then so I'll send them on the march. And I think these guys, I mean, they should be able like to wipe out like the guys over here, but I don't know. So I'm gonna have one of like the super soldier um, units out there in case there's like an emergency. Okay, so now they've started fighting, and you can watch. You can see like the bodies, and like some of them like will fly back, and some like will fall forwards. And yeah, I mean they were just able like to decimate these guys because they had a lot more than them. Get them back into formation, and you can see all of like the bodies. And sometimes if they start, I'm sort of like concentrating like in one area, and then all the bodies, they'll start to kind of like pile up on each other. Yeah, but like the super soldiers are like insanely good though. Insanely good. Like just this like small squad is easily, able like to destroy like 100 of like the normal men. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I think I'll get back to formation. Pretty cool though. Yeah, and this is I'm just the editor in here, and you can see like the battalions, and then the companies you can see like on the side, and then the platoons, and then the like the special platoon, and then squadron of those guys. So it's pretty cool. Okay, yep, I'm done. Hold on, I'll just stop this.